to remove watermark in Alight Motion. Open Alight Motion application. How to remove this watermark? Open your browser. Type AC Market. Click on the first link. Click on link 1. Click on Download Anyway. Now the AC Market is downloading. Open AC Market. Search Alight Motion. Now click on Download button. Click on Free Download. Wait while loading complete. Watch 30 seconds.
Oh, this skin is...
Download iStart. Open Alight Motion application. Wait while evaluating. Now the watermark is removed. Thanks for watching.